guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I am the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show you how you can create very beautiful car image for your web banner, for your social media post in Adobe Photoshop using 3D object I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. So guys, let's start. I have opened Adobe Photoshop and also I have created my simple document. Of course guys, you can create your document in any size you like. Now I will switch to rectangle tool with simple black color and I will create top of my background just like this. Now using same rectangle tool I will create a bottom of my background and I would like to adjust the bottom of my background. I will click on fill icon in the options bar and I will switch to gradient tool just like that. I would like to use two colors gradient tool, black and white. First of all, I will adjust a transition between two colors. I will click on black color stop icon and I will move it close to my white color stop. Now I would like to change a white color. I would like to have change color to dark gray color. What I will do, I will click on white stopper icon just like this and I will change color to darker gray just like that, maybe a little bit darker, more, perfect, and I will click OK. Now guys, we have created our background. What I will do right now, I will switch to the move tool and I will click on PixelSquid plugin. Here, as you can see, I have downloaded a few 3D cars and today I will be using a simple generic sedan car. Click on any object you would like to work with and voila. Now guys, I would like to rotate my car. I can rotate my car directly in as PixelSquid plugin window just like that, and now I'm happy with angle of my car. Now maybe I will resize it, make it bigger just like this, and yes, I'm happy. What I will do, I will click OK to accept all changes. Now time to specify if I would like to see shadows, default PixelSquid plugins shadow, and if I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. Guys, of course I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution, so I will switch from low to high resolution, no question about this. And also in this particular example, yes, I would like to have default shadow under my car. Look at this, I'm happy. Now time to apply all artistic effect to our image. First of all, I would like to change this red color of my car. What I will do, I will click on adjustments and here I will click on hue saturation. First of all, I will add a clipping mask to my adjustment layer. That means I will apply my adjustment only to the layer below my adjustment layer. So in this case I will apply adjustment only to my car, not to my background. So what I will do, I will simply move saturation slider just like that and a lightness just like that. Perfect. Now this is what I wanted, maybe a little bit darker. Guys, because we applied adjustment layer as a separate layer, we can modify our adjustment. We can make it in more artistic way. My adjustment layer applied with a layer mask. I will click on this layer mask and I will switch to my simple brush tool. You can use definitely any brush you are more comfortable with. I will be using simple brush. And what I will do, I will paint over my car and I will bring opacity of my brush to 100%. Using black color for my brush, I will paint out this part of my adjustment layer, just like this. Look at this, guys. This is what I wanted. Now, I will be back to adjustment layer, adjustment panel again. I will click on brightness contrast, and definitely I will click on add a clipping mask to apply adjustment only to my car. And here, guys, I will move brightness slider just like this. In contrast, maybe I will move brightness slider more, just like this. And again, guys, my adjustment, I applied adjustment as separate layer, and this adjustment layer comes with layer mask. I will click on layer mask just like that. I will switch back to my simple paintbrush tool with black color, opacity 100%, flow 100%, and I will paint around areas I would like to highlight, just like that. Maybe I will make my brush size bigger, just like this. Perfect. What I will do now, I will switch to a gradient tool with radial gradient tool selected, and gradient tool from black to transparent. And using this setting of my brush, I will highlight top of my car, just like that. I will do same with our first adjustment layer, just like that. If it's too much for my taste, I will bring opacity of my gradient tool down, and just like this. Look at this, guys. Now we have completely different car. So I'm happy with everything. If you would like to add more dramatic effect to your car, you can do it as well. I will switch back to my top layer. I have highlighted my top layer. I will switch back to my adjustment panel, and I will click on exposure. Here I will bring down exposure just like that. And guys, I'm happy. This is how I wanted my this image looks like. Time to merge all layers. I can flatten my image or merge visible. It's up to you. I will click on flatten image, and now I will duplicate my layer just to show to you before and after later on. And I will go to filter, camera raw filter. Here, guys, what I will do, first of all, maybe I will increase exposure just slightly, and definitely I will increase contrast. Look at this, guys. How beautiful is it? I will increase dehaze. I will move dehaze slider slightly to the right, just like that, and same with clarity. And I'm very happy with my image. I will click OK. This is before, this is after camera roll. Guys, definitely, let me zoom in. You can add any text to your license plate. It's up to you. And this is basically what I wanted to share with you. But I have one extra detail I would like to apply to my car. I will duplicate this layer just to show to you before and after. I will go to filter, render, and I will click on a lighting effect. Lighting effect. Just like this. In the options bar, I will switch presets custom to, let's see, RGB light, and I will adjust this light. First of all, I will bring red light a little bit up and increase intensity. Same with the blue light. I will move blue light slightly to the left. I will rotate it, and I will increase intensity just like that. And same with green light. I will click on green light, I will move it, I will rotate it, move it more, and I will increase intensity of this light, just like that. Guys, look at this, and I will click OK. This is before, our RGB light, and this is after. If you would like to smooth it out, if it's too much for you, but you still want to have RGB light applied to your image, simply bring down opacity of this layer, just like that. Maybe something like that, but I love this extreme light. I really love it. Now, I will duplicate this layer one more time, and I will go to Filter, Render, and Lens Flare. Here we have a lot of type of lens we can apply to our image. Probably I will use today 105mm prime. I will bring down brightness of my light, and I will, let's see, click here, just like that, and maybe I will bring down a brightness, and I will click OK. Look at this, how beautiful is it right now. I will do with another side of my car. Lens flare. I will not change anything in my lens flare window because Photoshop remembers the last setting I applied to my lens flare, and I will click on this side of my car, just like that, and I will click OK. Perfect, 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 guys. And finally, this is what I wanted to share with you today. And one extra point: if for your taste a lens flare is too much for you, simply bring down opacity of this layer, just like that. Yes, and I will merge down my two top layers, just like this. So guys, finally, this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, just click like and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share this video. Thank you guys so much for being with me. Super appreciated of all your time and your support. And again, if you have any questions, just ask. Thank you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.